Hi guys, if you love French beans like I do, then this recipe is a must try. It was absolutely delicious. Let's get started. So I started by sorting my French beans, cut them into small pieces like you see here, cut the other veggies that I was using, and after that I went ahead and cleaned everything before moving on to frying my onions like you see here. Once the onions were translucent, I added 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger, give that a good mix, then went ahead to add salt. At this point guys, you can add your favorite spices or the spices that you've got at hand, the ones that you prefer. So I added mine, gave that a good mix. And I like to add my spices at this point just to cook them so that they can become fragrant and even better, so delicious in the meal. And after that I went ahead and added tomato paste, and after mixing it in, I added 200 grams of minced beef. You're going to give this a good mix, ensuring that everything comes together nicely, and be sure to check for seasoning, and after that add enough water to cook the meat. And you're going to cover this and leave it to cook, and once it's ready we're going to go ahead with the next step. So guys, if you do not have the minced beef, you can use beef that has been cut into small cubes. So I went ahead and gave everything a good mix after the meat was fully cooked at this point. Then went ahead to add my green bell peppers. I used courgettes, I used yellow bell peppers, and I also used carrots. I added everything in there and then gave everything a good mix. Guys, look at that. The colors were so amazing. I loved them so much. If you've got the red and the red bell peppers, you can add it here as well. So you're going to cover everything, and after they have cooked, do not let them cook for so long. I cooked mine for like a minute because I still wanted the veggies to be crunchy. So I went ahead and added my French beans that have been cut into small pieces like you see here, and then covered it to cook for like a minute, just to ensure that it doesn't overcook. I added soy sauce, and soy sauce comes towards the end of the cooking process. Also remember that soy sauce is salty, so be sure to check for salt. To do not add a lot of salt as the food might be bitter. And then give everything a good mix at this point, and I was loving the colors. The outcome was looking so good at this point. If you've got coriander, that is dhania, you can add it in here, and it was ready guys. It was looking absolutely delicious. Like you see here, I served mine with some white rice and we loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.